Sometimes we forget that we are part of nature, but your body remembers. Let's reconnect. Stand still in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you want and begin to imagine. Imagine that you are a tree. Your feet are roots. Strong, deep, stable. They go into the earth and give you support. Your spine is the trunk. Straight and tall. Flexible but solid. Your arms and head, that's your crown. Reaching up, expanding into space, sensing the light and wind. Now bring your breath into this image. With every inhale, imagine energy coming from the ground, through your roots, up the trunk, to the crown. With every exhale, let tension go from the crown, down the trunk, into the earth. You are a part of this world, connected above and below. Stay in this image for a few more breaths. Feel the stillness, the strength, the quiet life inside. Breathing like this is a powerful grounding technique. It helps clear your mind and stabilize emotions. It's also a wonderful support for your nervous system and overall well-being. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.